Welcome to Schmidt's Antiques Inc. Auction Tutorial Series. All of Schmidt's Antiques online auctions are offered on the live Auctioneers platform. This tutorial video will outline how to find our auctions online, browse the catalog and register to bid. First, we will demonstrate the process using a computer. Enter liveauctioneers.com in your preferred web browser. Follow the prompts to either log into your existing account or join to create an account. Please note that you will need to provide a credit card number if you are a new bidder. Once logged in, enter Schmidt's Antiques in the search bar and you will find us listed under the Auction House heading. This will lead you to the Schmidt's page listing all of our upcoming auctions. You can also read customer reviews, or browse our past auctions and record auction results. Hit Explore to enter the full auction catalog. Here you can look at the catalog with various viewing filters. You can view pieces lot by lot, and save your favorite items. The top of your screen will show you an auction countdown with the option to register for auction. Click this button to send a request for auction approval. Depending on your bidding history with Schmidt's, you will either be automatically approved or a request will be sent for us to review, as we may require additional information from you for authorization. This request, if warranted, will come through as a live Auctioneers message. The information you provide will be used solely for authorization purposes and will not be stored post-auction. It is important to remember that although you can leave an absentee bid for a live Auctioneers auction without registering, your bid will not be valid until you are approved by the auction house. The process using a mobile device is virtually the same. Download the Live Auctioneers mobile app from your app store for the best results. Search for Schmidt's Antiques in the search bar. The home page on your mobile device will feature popular upcoming items. Click the Auctions tab to view current auctions. From here, the process of registration is the same. Congratulations! You have registered for the auction. You can now leave online absentee bids, a process that will be covered in a separate tutorial. Live auctions begin at the time indicated on catalog and item pages. Good luck at the auction. Follow us here on YouTube for more tutorial videos and exclusive content. Schmidt's Antiques. Auctioneers since 1911.